Hello everyone. Hope all are safe and doing good in this pandemic period. Please everyone wear your masks and sanitize yourself. Okay well, I am Vishnuvardan Kundarpu. Now I am here to present my work which is assigned by Exposys Data Labs as part of my internship. Where I have applied for front-end developer role, the task assigned to me is to create a multiple responsive web pages which is completely an e-learning platform. E-learning platform is a software system designed to create a virtual environment through which it is possible to deliver training courses, administer and monitor them, and access a series of facilities and arrangements. The name of our e-learning platform is EDL Learnings, Exposes Data Lab Learnings. And the code of each of these files represents single web page. To limit the count of the files, I preferred internal CSS. And this is the code for EDL Learning's homepage. And the page should be like this. EDL Learning always says, I'm ready to teach you, are you ready to learn? And in the search box where you can find the courses in EDL Learnings. This section explains to you about the importance of the education. And this section explains about actually what an EDL Learnings user need to follow. There are some steps. Step 1, finding your favorite domain. Step 2, really working hard in the domain. And the final step is doing projects in that domain. At last, we have footer section. We can find contact details and some icons which represents the social media accounts of EDL Learnings. And second, we have course page where you can find courses. This is the code for course page. In the courses, here you can find the course name, and this explains about the importance of the courses. More importantly, at the bottom, we have last course updated information. As this is the sample page, so I included only few courses like programming language, and this represents the future courses where user can understand that a newly course is going to upload in EDL learnings in a few days. So I included AI, front-end languages, IoT, and at last we have footer section again. And third, we have an announcement page. And this is the code for an announcement page. In the announcement page, we can find three sections. The first section is an announcements section where we can find some announcements from EDL learnings like if any course is newly uploaded or like if any problem with the courses in EDL learnings. The second section is all about FAQs where you can find some questions. And the third section is queries section. Of course, in the first two sections, there is nothing to interact with users, but it provides some informative announcements and questions. The third section is an interactive section where user can send their queries. And next, we have profile page. This is the code for profile page. This is the profile page where we can enter or edit our personal details in our personal accounts. So as I mentioned in personal account, this page should display only when user log into their personal accounts. This page contains first name, last name, college name, address, city, and state, and pin code. At last, we have photo section again. And at last, we have login page. In case if we don't have an account, then create account and we have sign in page. This is the code for login page and this is the code for sign in page. So these are the web pages that I created for EDL learnings. As you see, those are responsive web pages. Responsive web pages means the web pages which fits for every screen irrespective of the screen size. So in order to create those web pages, I used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript where needed. I would really thank Exposys Data Labs for encouraging students' passion. This really enhanced my skills in front-end web development role, which will definitely pay path in professional career.